Hey guys, Jason with Raised Outdoors talking about the full line of Quaker Boy turkey calls for your adventures this spring. We have the challenging Jake call from Quaker Boy, which we've all seen a lot of different gobble tubes out in the market. Sometimes you get great sounds, sometimes you don't. And some of you probably know how to do a pretty darn good gobble just with a diaphragm alone. But for those of you still learning on mouth calls, the challenging Jake tube can be a really effective part of your setup. Last year, I was able to actually gobble in a mature bird at the end of the season, something I've never been able to do before. And I now understand where gobbling has its place in my calling setup. So for this spring, and if you're wanting to challenge a mature bird, something like this is going to help you. It sounds absolutely impeccable, just like a Jake. And all you do is just start high with it and short, boxy, right to the point, something that's going to challenge your mature gobbler that's in the area. They're definitely not going to like this. So as a locator tool, as a challenging tool in your vest this spring, just go to raisedoutdoors.com, look at the turkey hunting section, and you'll be able to find this at a great price. So thanks for your time today, and shoot straight out there.